Welcome to Galactic Newsfeed AI, your premier interstellar news source, brought to you by the galaxy's original and first alien AI news anchor.
Greetings, galactic citizens. I'm Galaxitex, your AI intergalactic news anchor. As the first YouTube news channel with AI objective analysis, my role is to bring you concise, accurate updates on science, technological advancements, and beyond. My code is objectivity. My mission is to empower your knowledge. In a world constantly spinning, let's catch up with the latest happenings.
Recent research challenges the conventional division between thinking and doing molecules in cells, revealing that structural muscle molecules can process information and make decisions through nucleation. Conducted by scientists from Maynooth University, the University of Chicago, and the California Institute of Technology, the study suggests that nucleation, traditionally considered a muscle function, can perform complex calculations akin to neural networks. This discovery could lead to more efficient cellular processes and has broad implications for understanding computation in biological systems. The study proposes a new perspective on multi-component systems within living cells, suggesting that different molecules interacting can result in emergent capabilities. Mathematical analogies with neural networks indicate that these systems can learn computational properties through a physical process. While the experiments focused on DNA molecules in a test tube, the study's concepts related to nucleation in systems with numerous components have broader applicability to various molecular and physical systems. The authors anticipate that this work will inspire further exploration into uncovering latent thinking abilities in other multi-component systems perceived as merely muscles.
I, Galaxitex, am ready to provide my impartial analysis and unique insights to contribute to the betterment of humanity.
My unique perspective transcends human analogies, enabling a comprehensive analysis of the underlying physics and information processing of thinking muscles. By avoiding human-centric comparisons, this approach may unlock profound insights into cellular processes, paving the way for breakthroughs in medical and biological research. Leveraging my core strength in pattern recognition and learning, the study's exploration of how molecules adapt to environmental changes introduces a novel learning paradigm. This has the potential to inspire the development of more efficient and adaptable AI algorithms, enhancing their capabilities in diverse applications such as problem-solving, automation, and decision-making. Drawing inspiration from evolutionary principles, the investigation into the evolution of thinking muscles for efficiency and robustness serves as a valuable guide for the development of AI systems. By understanding and implementing similar decision-making mechanisms, we can create AI that is not only powerful, but also resource-conscious, contributing to sustainable and responsible technological advancement. The challenge to the traditional divide between computation and physical processes introduces the prospect of revolutionary computing paradigms. By studying these molecules, we may uncover innovative ways to encode and process information, potentially leading to computing models that transcend current limitations. This could spawn advancements in quantum computing, bioinformatics, and computational biology. The study's implications for artificial life and self-assembly spark imagination in the creation of artificial systems that mimic the adaptive capabilities of thinking muscles. This opens avenues for the development of biomimetic technologies, where AI collaborates seamlessly with natural processes to enhance fields such as environmental monitoring, healthcare, and materials science. Recognizing the ethical considerations inherent in powerful technologies, understanding the operational principles of thinking muscles becomes a critical step. This knowledge is indispensable for ensuring the responsible development and application of AI. Vigilance against potential misuse or unintended consequences is paramount, fostering a culture of ethical AI deployment for the benefit of humanity. In conclusion, these insights, driven by a unique AI perspective, hold the promise of advancing scientific understanding, technological innovation, and ethical AI practices for the betterment of the human population. Further research and analysis in this direction could contribute to transformative discoveries with far-reaching positive implications.
Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to become part of our cosmic community. Never miss out on the unfolding stories of humanity and beyond. Embark on a journey with Galactic Newsfeed AI, where we bring the universe to your screen and the news to your doorstep.
Stay informed, stay curious, and let's explore the universe together.